Someone you want to keep your eye on who's really exciting around the crease is Madison Ahern.
Ahern charges through again and bounces it home.
Choma fires it. Ahern behind the back.
Lost possession. Ahern able to scoop it up. Circles back. Oh, what a goal, Madison Ahern.
Wiggles her way through and scores.
Ahern fires and scores.
2-on-1, off to Ahern, who scores! Madison Ahern on the move, has a step on Scales, and beats Shea Dolce to open the scoring.
And Notre Dame off the turnover, scores once